it's Lizzie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I thought it'd be interesting to see how much money I earned in the month of February for my online businesses and also how much money I spent. So if you guys are interested to see what these numbers are, then keep on watching. So I haven't done a video quite like this before. I have shared in the past of how much money I had earned on Etsy and all of that, but this video I thought it would be interesting to see exactly how much money I had earned. So there's a difference between how much money that you received and how much money you earned. So Etsy, I have it scheduled where I will receive a pay every week. So it's usually on Mondays. So anytime when people order from my Etsy shop, I'll see the number growing, hopefully. And then on Monday, I will get a notification that the funds are on their way and it'll be whatever the dollar amount is. And then for YouTube, which I get paid through Google Adsense because Google owns YouTube, I earn in a month, but I don't receive that money until the following month. It's usually around like the 22nd or 23rd of the month that I will actually receive that income. So I have my binder and this is my Budget Essentials workbook and I have everything printed here. So I keep my totals written on this year at a glance form and these are available on my Etsy shop. So I thought it would be interesting to go over the numbers with you guys and kind of share what has happened. So I'll just like put it up on the screen here so that you all can follow along and you'll see where I'm getting these numbers from. So on YouTube, I'm able to view like all the back end of YouTube and see how my videos are performing and also how much I am earning on a particular video. And in the month of February, I have earned $418.16. So that is just crazy to me. It's the highest I have earned on Google AdSense. And it really all depends on like the watch time and if you are watching through the ads. And thank you so much if you're watching through the ads. That really means a lot to me. I wouldn't be able to earn money if it wasn't for you all. So just thank you so much. But with that, I'm able to see an estimate of what the revenue is that I will receive for that month. And then Google will send a deposit to my bank. And that's kind of how that works. But I won't receive that until March. So I did receive that already since we're in March, but I just wanted to let you know that's what I had earned in the month of February. Now for Etsy, and I'll go ahead and I'll show you a screenshot of what my Etsy page looks like. But for the month of the month of February, my total sales was $413.05. There are fees that are associated with Etsy and the listing fees and all of that. So the total for the fees was $37.40. So overall, what I actually made was $376. So if you add up those two, $418.16 plus 376, let me just make sure that I did my math correctly because sometimes that doesn't happen. Yeah, $794.16 is the total revenue that I had earned for February, which is just crazy. It's just creating a digital product and posting it on Etsy and then just doing videos like this that is causing me to be able to earn an extra income. And that's like almost an extra paycheck. I'm so blessed and it's just an amazing experience. Now, to go over the numbers of what I spent. So in February, I decided to create this business and make it a legitimate business. So I went through all of the steps and there's certain fees and everything that I have to go through where I live to be registered as a business. So, which it's just crazy. It's so much. If you're interested to hear what that process was like, let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to share what my experience has been thus far. But I'll go over, because I have, for business, I do keep an expense tracker. And I am very detailed at what it is because now I have to file taxes and there's a whole thing about taxes. I want to make sure that I'm doing it right. So I have currently a main business account and then also a separate account for taxes that I just transfer funds into. So now for things that I spent, I have it listed in specific categories, but the total amount of money that I spent out for fees and licensing and all of that was $238.30. So the $794.16 and subtract the $238.30, what does that leave us with? Oh my goodness. So that leaves me with a remaining amount that is my profit of $555.86. So I am not like a business major or like know all the ins and outs of how to successfully run a business. However, I have had small businesses in the past, and I do know a few things on how a successful business runs and what to plan for in the future. So the money that I am earning from Google, Adsense, and on Etsy, I don't want to spend it all. So all of this is in a specific business account. And I know many of you may be thinking, well, Lizzie, aren't you starting this so that any extra income you can apply it to yours? And I could do that, yes, but I have a vision for my future and I want to have this be my business. And so I'm really looking forward to what the future holds for Budget Essentials Co. And I'm also excited because I have officially launched a website, budgetessentialsco.com. And there are a ton of like freebies and different things like that, and a blog that I'll be updating regularly. So make sure you go ahead on over there and subscribe to the newsletter, because I also send out separate information and freebies in those newsletters. So you don't want to miss out on that. I'll be sure to leave the link in the description box down below so that way you guys can be directed to my website. It is so exciting and it's all thanks to you. I honestly wouldn't be able to make that happen if it wasn't for you supporting me continually and just being by my side, and I'm just so grateful for each one of you. But overall, I am so blessed to have these online revenue streams, and I know that it will only grow further and further. So if you guys have any questions at all on how to start a YouTube channel or whatnot, you can message me. I'll see if I can direct you. And I am by no means an expert on YouTube things or Etsy things, but I am trying, and I just have a vision for my future, and it's all thanks to you guys for being a part of my journey. So that is everything for this video. It's a little different, but I hope you guys enjoyed it and got some insight on how much I made online in February. If you did like it, make sure you let me know. That way I can see about doing a separate video for the month of March. I can probably do this every month. Let me know. Without further ado, thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in a brand new one. Bye guys.